Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all of you. Welcome to our live trade session for today, brought to you by F1 Academy and Tech System. So today is Thursday, February 14, 2018. So I'm Nina Ibrahim, Certified Financial Technician under Tech Team, and I will host the today live trade session until 10 a.m. So, for those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. We are about to start. So, before I proceed to our live trade session, as usual, I need to check feedback from you guys whether first you can see the screen and then you can hear my voice so that we can proceed to our live trade session. So, just go ahead, types on the chat box. Okay, Bro Michael. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, how are you? Where you are listening us now? So I'm alive from KL here. So where are you listening us live right now? So for those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. We are about to start. And then loud and clear. Okay, and then I guess the screen also can be seen, right? Because on my second screen can. So I guess from you. Good morning, Nina, everyone. Okay, good morning. Okay, great. For those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session for today. Yep. From the long holiday, and we got two live session from the technical issues, right? The screen cannot be shared to you guys, and then we need to postpone our live trade session, and today we can continue our live trade session as usual. So for those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. We are about to start. So I guess it's okay, and then I will start to recap for the yesterday performance of the Bursa Malaysia. So sorry, this one is the date. Okay. And then yesterday, February 13, 2019, you can see the market breadth is positive. The gainers is outperform losers. Gainers is 468 and losers 340. But KLCI is dropped to 2.11 point, close at 1685.3. Oh, the value turnover is RM 1.877 billion for yesterday. You can see that others country, this which is the index is going up and ours is going down. So let's see the performance for today, and then before we proceed to the Silver Freight newsletter, I just show to you guys the performance of the index. The index S&P 500, you can see it's change 8.30 point. Nasdaq rise 5.76. Dow is up to 117.15 point, and then FTSE 757.70, and then you see the Nikkei now open is drop 40.88. So I said okay, it's refreshing now. So this one is from CNBC news also. You can see Asia market set to be cautious amid ongoing US-China trade talks. And you can see the index for the Nikkei is drop, right? So this one is from CNBC also is for Dow. Dow rise for second straight day as a Wall Street cheers for the possible US-China trade deal. So let's see what's the I don't know, this one is already long. So this one is from The Age. So for today, the DH February 14, KLCI to trade range bounds, lack of domestic catalyst to limit gain. So yeah, let's see the expected the KLCI just trade in the range. So here also based on the corporate announcement and news follow today, stock focus on Thursday today, which is may include Vertis, CB, Industries, KNM, RHB, SCOMI, Utusan Melayu, ILB, and then TGL. But we will see the chart, see how you can read the news, but you always need to go to the chart to see the performance of from the chart also before you take the trade. So let us proceed to Silverfred newsletter. Okay, for today's stock to watch, you can see SYM Live retest old support and then target at 0.49, put stop 0.35 or lower, and then OCK still hold target at 0.735, and then the higher target is 0.82, put stop loss 0.49 or lower. And then we got GBGAQRS. Further buy, it's still hold descending channel breakout. Target is at 1.19, and the second target is 1.4 to 1.7. So you can use the turtle stop 0.87 here. And then Inari further buy, that buy signal, target at 1.73, and then next 1.90, the higher target 2.04 for Inari. And then we got here Genting. You can see from the chart, price break the descending channel. So overall is a rounding bottom, target at 7.5, and then higher target is 8.2 and then 8.6 for Genting. And then OWG further buy, it still hold expected rebound to retest 0.75. So expected the technical rebound, but the gain is okay, the risk and reward. So for aggressive trader can see OWG. And then what here we got SK Press. That buy signal, target at 1.48. Put stop loss 1.19 or lower for SK Press. And then here we got DNEX. Okay, congrats for those who still hold DNEX. Yesterday it's hit the TP1, but still hold its descending channel breakout target. Here you can see, and then overall this target is at next target to 0.35. So yeah, put stop loss still maintained at 0.235 or lower. So how you trade this kind of stock? If you got profit, you want to take half and then ride the trend, or it's up to you lah. How you want to still hold. So both got pro and cons. And then this one, FGV, further buy, hold target 1.36, and then next target 1.7. This is put stop loss 0.97 or lower for FGV. And then we got MRCB here. It's a buy on dip for MRCB. You can see the flag breakout here, or descending channel breakout here. Target 0.87 for this is resistant for MRCB. So it's rebound from the support and then turn resistant, now turn support back. So it's a strong support there, and then descending channel breakout. So for MRCB trader, your potential target profit is at 0.87. So this one is Destiny, buy on dips, target at 0.39 here, and then next target at 0.48, put stop loss 0.19 or lower. So this is when you read the Silverfred newsletter, all the detail is here. You can see the chart, you can see what the price is going on, and then you can see the target price and then the stop loss level. So I hope you read this every day as your routine for to be a great trader. So we go to Penta. Penta is a rounding bottom target at 3.63, and then the higher target is at 3.85. Put stop 2.76 or lower for Penta trader. And then we got here London Biscuit. This one is slow and steady stock. It's still hold rounding bottom, next target at 0.65. So put stop loss 0.54 or lower for London Biscuit. And then we got here Karimin. It still hold target at 1.05 and then next at 1.22. You can see from the chart, and then put stop loss 0.83 or lower for Karimin. And then what else we got here? KGB. It's still hold for KGB. It's hit the target yesterday, first target, and then we got higher target at 1.38, 1.5. So put stop loss 1.06 or lower for KGB. And CCK further buy at 0.52 or higher, and then target at 0.6 already hit, and then next target will be at 0.64 and then 0.82. So put stop loss 0.44 or lower for CCK traders. So potential buying climax is hit the first target, so you need to put trailing stop to ride the trend. So you need to break out above this resistance level for further rally. Okay, next is TM. It still hold 1 to 3 bullish setup, so it's like 1 to 3 here. So the price you can see make the higher high. This is the first low, and then it's create the high, and then it's make a higher low. This one the price retrace but not break below this previous low. So it's like potential bullish setup already. So it's 1 to 3 setup. So target at 3 and then stop loss put at 2.68 or lower for TM. And then here we got Astro. It's a 1 to 3 also bullish setup here. Target it as here 1.97, stop loss at 1.47 or lower. This is for Astro. And then AirAsia, further buy, hold a rounding bottom target at 3.3, and then next 3.7, a higher target 4.10, put stop loss 2.93 or lower for Asia. And then we got here Gamuda. It's a technical rebound, so target at market already open. Okay, we go to SI station first, see what SRB got alert, and then we will proceed to Safer Freight newsletter. Okay. Oh, SZRB. So for those who still hold SZRB, yesterday it's hit the flag breakout. If you read the TAD stock alert already hit, and then this one is a further buy for AZRB. Next target is at 4 to 0.405, face a Fibo to Fibo 100 short term to 61 Fibonacci here. And then what I can see is like doing a potential inverted head and shoulders, which is a bullish pattern, but uh, still trading inside this one. So price need to break out above this level for further rally. If cannot break out 0.49, it uh, will retrace first, maybe performing the shoulder, and then we'll continue rally. So for now, we just trade here first. For those who still hold AZRB, so note your next target here 0.4, and then the higher target at 0.490, and then uh if price break out above this level, we will further buy, but if not, it will retrace first. So for now, the target is here first. So your stop loss is, you can see the green color here, 0.31. So if you already buy in the flag breakout, you already have a profit. So you can use a 1-2 bar stop. It's like 1-2 bar stop here is your stop loss, or you can change to the easiest way is change to the fast turtle for trailing stop. This one, if you use fast turtle for stop loss a bit far, or this one is 1 2 is here, 2 bar stop still at 0.3. So if you want to use 1 bar stop also can. So here lah 0.355 for AZRP if you already got profit, so you want to put trailing stop. For now, it's the volume here, okay, it's building, is only 3-minute market open and volume is up, so it's still hold for SRB. Yup, it's TAD also triggered a buy, so I changed to TAD here. This is TAD first buy. So before this, I put as aggressive trader as TAD, not trigger a buy, but technically it's a flag breakout also. Okay. So for if you're not in yet, so you can consider to look at AZRB, but make sure your stop loss level. Don't just go in, calculate your stop loss level. So here, yeah, the stop loss is a bit far. How much the stop loss? I calculate for you guys, 15%. So if your risk, you can handle the risk around 50 to 16%. So you can take the trade. The potential target for AZRB is 4 to 0.45, and then 0.49. So the reward is around, we take a higher here, 28, around 28. So if you can handle the risk 15%, so you can take the trade for SRB. So next we go to media here. What happened to media? I changed to the TAD template first. Okay, it's rebound. If you can see support here, and then it stopped at the previous support around 0. Okay, let me check, around 0. Yep, SI right here 0.325, and then since rebound now break the trend line resistance, it tests for aggressive trader is the trend line resistance already break out, but if you not go in yet, so better wait for the TAD buy. Now it testing the resistance here 0.42. So let's see if this level can break out to stay above the total resistance to trigger a buy. If you already in for aggressive trader, already break out the trend line resistance, and then potential profit is 0.51, and then next at 6. So the strong support is here lah, 0.32, or you can use the turtle support also. So let's make this one more clear. Okay, and then this one is like flag breakout again for aggressive trader in media, but it tasting. So let wait for TAD buy if you're not in yet. So it's hard. Yep, around this level lah. So around first is a first target around 0.59, and then next target is 6. I use the pivot, the higher pivot, the previous resistance as a target. So for media, let's see if price can hold above. Yeah, it's reduced now. The volume still building, so let's see if price can stay above 0.42 resistance for triggered TAD buy for buy, and then your target is here lah, 0.5, and then your stop loss 0.365. The strong support is still maintaining here. If you can see the price rebound from the this support level. This one for media. So we look again for media, and then okay. Okay, KLCI now 8-minute market open, KLCI up 0.57. So as the age, they expected the price will just ranging for today. So let's see the gainers 152, and then losers 86 here. So the gainers still outperform losers. So far it's okay. The volume is still low as the market already just open for 8 minutes. So let's see the top active here. I just read KNM, Kyocera KNM. So we got KNM here. I pull out the chart first. Overall, you can see the downtrend. So we not touch this stock. Any rally is just still a technical rebound. So Kyocera is in our list also. Okay, this one is Kyocera. Who still holds Kyocera? From the trend line breakout, yes, it retraced. This one is the retrace is huge also. Is you can see around, yep. So it's only for 20%. It's only for aggressive trader. It's the volatility is high, if you can see. So for Kyocera, for those who still holding Kyocera, so your next target, your take profit level around 0.34 to 0.345. So it's already hit the first target at 0.280 for Kyocera traders. So congrats. So you can, if you already in, you can use 1-2 bar stop to as your the trailing stop. So maybe 2 or 1 bar stop here is 2 bar stop at 0.65. I write here. So the trailing 0.265. And then support still at 2, 0.2 to 0.205, but the psychological price is at 2, so I choose at 2 around the Fibo support also. So the strong support is still there. So if you already in, you can use the trailing stop as your stop loss level. So it's important to protect your capital also. So this one is your next target profit, next level for take profit for sales. So the volume is reduced here, so be careful. This one is still, you can see the what is still downtrending. So for now, the rally is still consider a technical rebound unless it can break out these levels for further rally. So it create the higher high here. For now, I put the target profit still here. So let's see if break out this level for rally for in Siasera. So this one based on the volume, when price up, the volume is up, and then price retrace, the volume also retrace. So it's like a healthy here, and then the price up, volume up. So if you already in, you can still hold this one. Target is here. So if you're not in yet, so wait for breakout buy, or for the price to retrace first, and then we can go in again. So don't chase the price. So if not, you will buy at the top and the price will trace. So sometime if you miss, so maybe it's you need to wait. So don't chase. Okay, this one is for Siasera. We will see a few stock here, and then we will proceed to the. I still not finish Silver Flag newsletter, as the market is already open. So we see the market. Oh, sorry. This one is the TAD template also, but I put the RSI. So I changed the normal TAD template. Okay, this one is DNEX. Let's see how the DNEX perform. So it still tends to break the FIBO resistance here. So that's why I put the resistance around here, if you can see. So it's already hit, but overall it's still hold. The stochastic is still okay, not overbought yet, just enter the overbought zone. So your target profit is around the trend line resistance last around 0.350, your next target profit level. So yeah, sometime you want to wait until you want to sell. Yep, is you want to sell, you want to take profit is maximum levels also is hard to do. So sometimes if you already got profit, you can see the profit. That's why we suggest to you guys take half of your profit, and then maybe 30% or 20%, or it's up to you. You still hold to ride the trend. So that balance 20 or 30%, you put the trailing stop, 1 or 2 bar stop, to protect your capital. So at least you already take part of your profit, and then a few you let the profit run. So yeah, because we trade for the profit, right? And then so this one for the neck is still hold. So your support still maintained at 0.24. You can use as is a long bar for trailing stop. Use this 1 bar stop at 0.727. It's a 1 bar stop. 1 bar stop, 0.270 for trailing stop. So let's see the next target profits can be hit for TNEX. So next we can see here Dayang. Dayang also in our watch list for aggressive trader, overall you can see it's still consolidate in the big picture here. So I change to the TAD template. Okay, Dayang is heading to test the next resistance around 0.35. That's level is this level one of your take profit level lah, 0.835, and then next is at 0.915 inside the consolidation zone. So this one a bit erratic, so only for aggressive traders. So if you already in, you can use trailing stop as usual. Use one or two bar stop at 0.275 your trailing, and then because support is big far, that's why we use trailing stop if you already in. So if you not in yet, so of course don't chase the stop because the stop loss is a big far. So yeah, it's for those who ride the Dayang, note your take profit level around 0.835 and then next 0.95. So use one to bar stop for your trailing. For Dayang, break this level, we will see the higher target, but for now the price still consolidate around this consolidation zone, so we focus on this area first. So you play in the consolidation zone for Dayang. Okay, what else we got here? Check, no change. ZRB we already opened, it's up. So let's see the price break or not. The resistance, yeah. Oh yeah, it's already break. So this one is SRB, we already see. And then SCOMI is down 11%. And then SCOMI is in the, you see, is in the age they put as SCOMI, right? Yep, SCOMI group stock for today focus. So that's why we need to see the chart. You can see overall SCOMI is downtrending, so you need to see in the short term. So maybe short term rally or what, so technical rebound. So you can see the candle is erratic. It's a downtrend, so technically, so it's no buy. TAD also no buy. So we as a technical analyst, we not trade this stock, we skip this stock, this not in our radar also. And then I think SCOMI got news. Let's see from the age. This one, Maybank demands that SCOMI settle its debt. So this one, news for SCOMI. So maybe this news affects SCOMI also. It's down 11%, but based on the chart, we already see this one is not nice to trade based on the chart also. And then next we proceed to GPacket. Okay. GPacket is it's rally. You can see this candle also is like erratic candle, so it's for aggressive trader. The rally is like 60-degree here, so it's too sharp. When too sharp, so be careful. So this one hit around the previous resistance level. So I change to the TAD template first. Based on the technical rebound, it's already hit the target lah. So I not put in the TAD list also because this one is too dangerous, or this one, and the chart also erratic. But if you got if you got the stock to monitor, is not included in our TAD list or Seafood Freight list, and you want to know, so you can post in our Telegram group. We will see based on the chart. We will just suggest. So if you aggressive trader, you still want to take the trade, is up to you. So for G packet, I not suggest for you guys to enter this stock. Is already uh what rise for 90 degrees and it retrace. Yes, it's possible to retrace and go up, but the risk is too high for you. But if you are aggressive trader, you can wait for the next resistance to break out to look for. But for now, no buy yet. You can see this one. So we need to see if this resistant, the trend line resistant, the support now turn resistant. So if can break out above this level, so maybe it can further up, but it's a big risky lah. The risk is too big because your stop loss can be far. So I just skip this stock for G packet. So let's see Press Berhad. Okay. Hi, Paroslan. For those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. So now 9:23, you can see, okay, I minimize this one first. You can see FBM KSCI is drop 0.90. Value turnover still small, 124 lah, 124 million. And then the gainers is outperform the losers. The gainers is 129, the losers is 145, unchanged 15414. So it's like, yeah, it's still ranging here, up down, up down. So I not receive much alert from my alert. So I now I just see at the top active what is moving. So let us scan for the third breakout to see. So this one is still raw, so we need to see the chart. So let's wait for the scan. Usually I will see the volume above 4,000 lah. So it's healthy. So let's see the mother share. Now it's all Warren PPHB. Okay, let's see. This one is downtrending and got erratic candle also. For price doji, and then a lot of shadow here means they make bull trap and bear trap. So we just skip this stock, it's not interesting also. And then what else? Uzma. Okay, let's open Uzma. I changed to the TAD template. This one is also erratic. Now it's got pattern here. Oh, it's a flag breakout here, and then the next potential target profit is at 0.925 for Uzma. It's trigger the TAD, but for now it's still technical rebound. So the target is at 0.925. So your stop loss remain at 0.645. You can use this swing, wait, as your trailing. for Uzma, okay, 7, change here, 5. So support, trailing stop 0.755. So this one we need to calculate if you're not in yet, because maybe the reward to risk ratio is not good. So it's around how many percent? Wait, cannot see. 8% reward, and then the risk is so the risk reward is not so good. So if not, you not in yet, so we skip this stock. But if you already in, it's a flat breakout here. The next target profit levels around 0.295, and this one is a take profit on rally, as overall trend is still downtrend. So based on the so maybe the rally just first test here, and then we will test the price will test around the trend line resistance here, and then we need to see the price break above this level for 0.925 technically. But this one is, I remind you, this one is erratic candle, and the rally is still technical rebound. So if you're not an aggressive trader, just skip this stock. And then if you're not already in, also the risk and reward is not good. I just mentioning for those who already trade Uzma here. So maybe we do not know, our trader who are aggressive traders, sometimes the senior trader, they make their own analysis, they see their own chart. So if you take the trade this stock, so that is my analysis for Uzma. So what else here? Okay. Go chat. So let's see. Hi bros, I am at University Utara Malaysia, Kedah. Oh, you're listening from Kedah. Thank you for joining our live trade session for today. So guys, it's 9:29, almost 9:30. If you got any stock you want to monitor, just go ahead, types on the chat box. We can see together. In the meantime, I still open the stock here to see with you guys. But if you got any stock you want to monitor, or any stock you see the potential, just put in the chat box. We can see together. And we can see that our stock is a few already hit the TP. So congratulations for those who take the trade, for aggressive trader who take the trade. So this one, the candle is erratic, is organized. So we just, yes, it got pattern, but I don't like to trade this kind of stock. So it's like still testing to break this trend line resistance level. So we just keep this stock. Okay, why am I Asia Fly? So this one you can see a lot of syndicated stock being pushed. So this one also as erratic. So no, we don't trade this kind of stock. So tech per heart. So continue rally. It's a new stock. So the analysis is based on the chart pattern and the Fibonacci targeting. So it's hit the TP here. For those who take trade for Tech Berhad. Congratulations, it's already hit TP, the first TP here, and then next TP will be at 1.180. Your the strong support is still maintaining here. If you already take the trade, you can rise your stop loss level. Use the total stop at 0.88, and then trailing stop as usual 1 2 bar stop. If you are swing trader, so your stop will be lower lah. Use um total support here. So overall, if based on the triangle, apex also can be the support around 0.9895. So not it's not far from the total, so we just use total support here 0.88 as your support. Yes, your second support 0.880 here. So it still hold. Let's see if price can hit the next target for Tech Berhad. So congratulations for those holding Tech Berhad. For now, if price can break above this level, so we'll see the next TP lah around here. And then what else we got here? ZRB already, Dayang already, Siasera already, KNM we already open, right? Let open, I forgot. Okay, dynamic chart. No, this one is a downtrending stock, so we skip. You can see where we don't get alert, only a few alert as RB, and then so let's see here from the TAD. I put one. You can use the Silverfret newsletter stock and then TAD stock alert. You put in the folder, and then put all the stock we monitor in one folder. Like I put here TAD stock alert to monitor, as this one is from the TAD stock alert, so easiest for us to monitor the stock which is moving. You can change for the percentage here. You can see which one is retraced here. Overall is still okay, not more than okay, it's only 1 to 2%, so it's now take profit from here. And then this one already rally. You can see Siasera is the one 9% up. RZRP, Dayang, and Destiny continue rally. So far so good. This one is for aggressive trader, so easiest for you to see which stock is move based on our TAD stock alert. So this one is Destiny. So Destiny still hold the flag breakout here, buy on dip. It's hold at the support level, flag breakout here. So let me draw. That's why we got a few trader. For chart pattern trader, they will see as a flag breakout buy. For buy on dip trader, they use candle to buy, confirmation candle over here, around here, one here. So based on the Fibonacci, they retrace around golden Fibo ratio. The stock is hovering around EMA 50 and EMA 20. You need to remember a few rules for buy on dip stock. So this one from the stochastic oversold also here, hammer since, so the confirmation of the hammer around here. So buy on dip trader will buy around here, chart pattern trader a bit higher around here. So we got a few traders. So it's not like you enter here is right or wrong, you enter here is right or wrong. So it's depend on you. For chart pattern trader, they enter here for buy on dip based on candle, they enter by the confirmation. But for buy on breakout trader, they not enter yet, they will wait for the breakout at 0.275. So we got a few trader. So for buy on dip trader, your target profits is almost it's not hit yet, but heading to that level 0.275. So if price can break this level, you can hold your stock for destiny. So the next level for the uh, potential target profit is at 0.31 and then 0.36, and then might test the gap resistance at 0.95. So your support still maintain at 0.195 for destiny. So when break out this level, you can increase your trading stop for destiny. So for destiny traders, congratulations, it still hold. So what else here from FGV? This one is from Sifu Fred stock. It's a great stock. Let's see. So okay, change to the DAD template. So you already, yeah, you already got the template. Is already, you can just trade, already got the resistance support, so it's easy for you. It's the support also will up base when the price up, so you just follow the signal. So this one FGB still hold. mm, the next resistance around 1.18 here. It's nearly want to hit. So if you already in, your stop loss level at 0.980. And as usual, if you already buy from low, if you are swing trader, of course your stop loss will big far lah, because you want to swing right. But if you're your short term trader, your stop loss, you can use one to bar stop for trailing, and then the total is 0.89 uh 0.8 0.980, and then the TAD will trigger a sell below this level. So you can use the total as your support for the short term trader. So let's see, for now it's still hold for FGV. mm, what else we got? Penta moving here. Guys, if you got any stock, just go ahead on the chat box, type your stock to monitor if you holding or what. I still looking for the stock from our list, that the TAD stock alert list, while waiting for you guys if you got any stock. So for Penta, it's still hold. It's already triggered a TAD buy here, breakout. So target maintained at 3.56, and then at 3.87. Your stop loss is at 2.82 based on the total stop here. And then the next support is, your second support is 2.650 lah. For Penta, okay, I show you overall picture. It's Penta is rebound from the trend line support, so 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 is considered a valid trend line already. So let's see if price can break this level, we will see the higher target for Penta. So far so far still so good for Penta. So it's still hold. mm, Econ Berhad also got reaction. So let's see. Uh, this still cannot break the trend line resistance, so it's for aggressive trader to take a trade. It's like 1 2 3 also is it's create a higher high and higher low. So short term is already show a uptrend move, but still consider a technical rebound. So it's flag breakout. Buy on deep trader who take this trade for Econ Berhad is still hold. Your first target is at 0.535, and then next target 0.560 around the trend line resistance. Break out this level, you will see the higher target for Econ Berhad. So for now, we use this target first 0.535, 0.560 around the trend line resistance. Your support is at 0.425 for Econ Berhad trader, for aggressive trader. So it's still hold. And then what else we got here? D-Sonic also moving. Oh, Press Berhad Sicily. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. Press. Sorry. Press Berhad. So let's see. Press Berhad. Okay, the price fall 2%. Let's see. Change to the DAD template. Also, it's a technical rebound for aggressive trader. Wait. So it's still hold. Price still hovering above the EMA. Now it's want to testing to break the total support. But we will see like a wedge breakout already. It's like 1 2 3 bullish setup also 1 2 3. It's you already hold the stock or you plan to go in, Cecily? If you already hold, it's still hold. Your support, you can use this level 2.33. Okay, this one is your sub 0.3. Oh, not in yet. Okay, if you're not in yet, so wait for the breakout above. Wait, I see around this resistance, but this one is still considered a technical rebound. It's like if buy here, we already will take profit nearly hit the target at 0.470. So this one is resistance. So if you wait for the TAD buy above this level, TAD buy. That TAD buy will trigger 0.65695. So I see resistance at 0.47. So you can buy 0.47 or 0.465 or higher, 0.465 or 0.7 or higher lah, because this one is resistant, need to be break. So we'll see the target is okay. I need to clean this one, if not, let's see first, because this one is a downtrending stock, so I need to see the resistance here. Based on the Fibonacci is now around here, want to test, and then next level is around 0.3 here. This is like a short term also. Fibonacci 50 can be a resistance, but it's a like not strong resistance, but it can be resistant. So 0.545 and then 0.630 is a Fibonacci 62, 68, 62 lah, 61.8. So it's a strong resistance based on Fibonacci, so around the trend line resistance also. So this one is still considered a technical rebound. If you are aggressive trader, you can take the trade. But if you are conservative trader, so you can look for another stock to trade, because this one is like still a technical rebound. Break this level, yes, we will see the price will really here to here around, yes, it's a 33%. So your stop loss also high, maybe it's like 1 to 1. If you want to use the trailing, is like here 14%. So it it's up to you if you can handle the risk. The first support is when the price break, you can use around this level, this the resistance now turn support 4. When price break above 0.47, don't trade the trade now, but for buy on deep trader, it still hold with support 0.4, because you're not in yet. If you in now, the price still not confirmed to break above this resistance, you might buy at the top, so the price might reduce, retrace or what. So it's like you still can buy lower, but you already buy here. So if already nearly the rest near to hit the resistance, so better you use the BOB, buy on breakout technique. So wait for the resistance to break out first. So calculate your risk to reward before you enter. So this one still a technical rebound 0.545 and 0.63. So your support, if breakout, you can use the trailing support here 4. The strong support is at 3. If price retrace, so we need to see this level, this low still can maintain it, create the like a higher low before go in. For now, it's still a technical rebound. Okay, Cicely, I hope this one can help you. I'm not sure you are aggressive trader or conservative trader. And then okay, FBM KSCI now dropped 2.13 point. Value turnover 270 million. Gainers is 214. The losers is like mix already. The gainers and loser is like mix. So it's still the gainers still struggling to with the losers lah. There's like no direction, still ranging. No one gainers or losers win, so it's like still find a way for today. So but our stock, a few already hit profit, target profit, so congratulations. We still cautious, as overall sentiment is still like cautious, so don't be too aggressive, still cautious. If you already got profit, so maybe you can consider take half of your profit or what, and other half you can ride the trend. So buffers, let's see. This one already hit the target here, so it's ranging also now. The volume reduced, so it's okay. It's the support at 0.455 here. I use the support here. The lower support is a bit far. For swing trader, you can use the the lower support. So for buffers trader, it's already hit first TP, and next TP will be at 0.580. Has a descending channel breakout, but overall it's like sideways, if you can see. So if you take the trade, mm, be cautious also. This one got erratic candle. That's why if you can see the in the TAD stop alert, I put mostly you can see the aggressive trader lah. You can see if the candle is big erratic, so the volatility will be high. So your stop loss will be far. It's like you need to handle the volatility. So that's why before you enter any stock, please calculate your risk reward ratio first. Don't like you already in and then you want to calculate your risk reward. It's too late. So this one is still hold. Next target is at 0.8, 0.58, and then 0.65. So your support still maintain here 0.455. You can use 1 2 bar stop is already in. So guys, it's now 9:53. A few minutes before we end our live trade session. If you got any stock to monitor, go ahead, types on the chat box. We can see together. So I still looking at the TAD stock alert in my folder. If you get any stock, just type on the chat box so we can see from here. So run hill, it's still hold. So I change to the TAD template. So this run hill potential to performing like a rounding bottom here. So it's heading to the next target at 1.33 here. It's still hold if you already take a trade on run hill. Yeah, this one is your next target profit level, and then the higher is 1.6. Break this, we want to see break this level is like a gap here. So break above 1.6, we will see higher target based on the Fibonacci targeting. But for now, we take this only 1 and 2 level first as the target profit. We want to see this level we break, and then we will see higher target for buffers. So this one still sideways, but still holding. If you holding side in the sideways trend, so you need be patient a bit. So it's like still steady. It's slow and steady to go up to touch 1.33 here. But still important for you guys to put stop loss level so you can increase your support level to the total support here 1.16. So before this the support at 1.12 here, and then you can use 1.16, and then this candle also erratic, so you need to put the stop loss want to bit lower so you can like still can hold the volatility, the price up and down. So your stop loss is not hit for run hill. So this one still holding What else we got? Reaction here. Escape press. Mhm. Okay, change to the template. The volume still low. It's, let's see here. It's still ranging here for escape press, but it's still hold. If you already in escape press, hit the 1.33 target, and then next target will be at, okay, my battery is okay, so the next target is at 1.45 here for escape press. Now it's resting here, so it's like doing a pennant. So if this for chart pattern trader is might, they might wait for the pennant breakout to go in again. Your support level still maintain here is like the pennant target. Wait, this one is chart pattern target. Okay. So around this resistance, the gap resistance also. So around this higher resistance for the chart pattern target, uh, the first resistance still remain here as the next target, and then the higher target will be around this level lah, 1.54 here. So if you calculate based on Fibonacci also is around that level. This one is a short term only. It's like around Fibonacci 138 here, and then the lower TP is the previous TP is around the Fibonacci 100 or so, 1.450. So actually when you use Fibonacci calculating, is the chart pattern and Fibonacci is about the same, but you need to know where to get the point. So this one of for escape press, it still hold, is consolidate right now. If you already hold, still holding. If you're not in yet, so either you wait for the TAD turtle breakout here or pennant breakout to go in yet, to go in again. If or you miss this one, and then your support is here. But I remind to you guys, this one is erratic candle. This one also um, need to the stop loss is need a bit far, because you need to hold the volatility, so your stop loss is not hit easily. This one is for aggressive trader only. What else? Okay, I want to put alert here for the breakout, maybe around this level. I just monitor 1.34. 1.34, 1.35 lah. So if you put alert, you can put note here. You want what is a buy alert or stop loss alert or monitor, or you just type here. I want to monitor first. So I just put note here, monitor. When the alert trigger, you can read from the alert. This one is a buy alert or stop loss alert, or you want to monitor first. What else moving here? Johutine. Guys, you don't have any stock to monitor. I just looking, this stock is already 10 a.m. So I guess this one is the last chart for me to open, and then we'll end our live trade session. You guys also don't have any stock to monitor. Now already 10 a.m. So Juhutin. Juhutin is I see like a rounding bottom, but again this is for aggressive traders now. Testing is still hold the flag breakout here is now still testing to break the total breakout. The next target will be at 1.41, and then higher target 1.5, and then the higher target 1.7 based on the rounding bottom pattern. So your stop loss 1.17. You can see the green color here as your stop loss level. The lowest stop loss is at 1.09 based on the swing low. So this one still hold. So if you not go in yet, so wait for the TAD buy above total further buy lah, means the TAD will trigger again 1.32. TAD first TAD buy already triggered below here. It's already hit a few target, and now if you miss, you can wait for breakout by above 1.32. Wait for the total breakout. For now it's still holding for Juhuddin. So I will recap the performance of FBMK SCR before we end our live trade session. So now 3 minute EM, our FBMK SCI are down 1.80 point. Value turnover 265.1 million. The gainers is like mixed, but the losers is now outperform the gainers. Losers is 235, the gainers is 225. It's only 10 differences, so it's like a mix here. The mixed market, still the market price is mixed, so unchanged 1389. We will further see the performance of our stock inside the Telegram group. If you got any stock to monitor, or you want to analyze any stock, just type on the our Telegram group. So I guess we will end our live trade session for today. And then we'll keep in touch in the Telegram group. So on behalf of F1 Academy and Tax System, we want to thank you so much for joining our live trade session. And my name Nina Ibrahim, and we will keep in touch in the group. Bye guys.